Hello students, dear students, this is the second part of the summary of the poem A Legend to the Northland. In first part, I have told you that the women did not give a cake to the Saint Peter. Okay students, instead of she tried to bake a small cake for him. She did this 3 times but did not give any cake to Saint Peter. Okay, students? She reasoned that when she ate them, they felt small. But when she had to give them, they felt too big to give to someone. Dear students, the old lady gave a reason that when she ate the cake herself, it seems small to her. Okay, but when she gives the same cake to any other person, it seems her too big to give. That shows that the lady was selfish. She was too greedy. Okay, student. She did not want to share anything with anybody. It shows that. Okay, students. Yes. Yes. And finally, what she did, she put all the cakes on her kitchen shelf and did not give any cake to the saint. As I have already told you in first video, Saint Peter was hungry and tired, and that is why he asked only for a cake. But the old woman did not give him any cake because she thought that they were too big to give anyone. It makes Saint Peter angry. So Saint Peter get angry and cursed her because she was very hungry and felt very weak. As Saint Peter was very hungry and very weak, and the old lady did not give him anything to eat, so it made Saint Peter angry and he cursed the woman. Saint Peter said to her that you are selfish and did not deserve to live as a human being, as selfish is not a quality of human being, so you did not deserve to live as a human being. Saint Peter said so. Okay. He further added that God has given her food, shelter, and fire to keep her warm, but she became selfish and greedy. Hence, the women became a bird who had built their houses by borrowing into the wood and collecting very little food by working the entire day. So, what Saint Peter did? Saint Peter changed that woman into a woodpecker, into a bird who had to build their houses by boring into the wood and collect very little food by working the entire day. When Saint Peter cursed her, she became a bird and flew through the chimney. Okay, students, when she flew, the bird has a red cap on her head. As the old woman changed into bird, but she had a red cap on her head that time, as the women she was wearing. Moreover, when people in the countryside and the children see this kind of bird, that is woodpecker, okay, their elder tells them this story of a bird. At that time, the elders of that region tell the story to their children about that bird. That means the women had been changed into a bird, that is woodpecker. Okay, so whenever the people of that area see the bird, they tell the story to their children about the bird. Okay, students, I hope the story will be clear to you and the video will help you to understand the poem. Thank you.